In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create and upload a shirt on Roblox for free using your mobile phone. Now, when you create a shirt on Roblox, you can wear it on your own avatar if you feel like it, so you can show off your own design, and you can put it on sale. And I'll show you how to do both of them on your mobile phone in this video as well. Before we get into the video, I just want to say this tutorial will need you to have 10 Robux in order to upload it to the Roblox store. If you don't have 10 Robux, then unfortunately you cannot upload it or wear it on your own avatar. With that out of the way, there are timestamps in this video which you can skip forwards or backwards if needed to. And now let's get into the video. Alright, so step 1 is to open your app store and go search up for Maker Blocks. This will be the app that'll let you customize and create your shirt. So yep, there it is right here, Maker Blocks. It's free, so don't worry, you can install it. Alright, once it's installed, open it up. Just quickly skip through them by tapping on the right side of your screen. Alright, so after the app says it's finished updating, you'll get like these random ads. There'll be a lot of ads here, just don't worry. Click on the X on the top right. Alright, now once you're on the main screen, there are many different templates to choose from. For a normal shirt, you just want to click on the first one. It will give you a character with a shirt. So basically at the bottom there are different things you can add to the shirt. So you got textures, which there are different textures that are already given to you, or you can upload your own. Stickers, same deal here, different stickers, and you can upload your own. Cloths, colors, loops, and shapes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the textures. Now you can start decorating your shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for it, black and white. For some certain textures you may need to watch like a 30-second ad, so just wait for that. Alright, you can click out of that, and I got it. I can now decorate it. Alright, as you can see, I've added my textures here. What you can do is click the 3D button on the top right, and this can show you your avatar if it was a real 3D character in Roblox. So yep, this looks good. Click back onto 2D if you want to add stuff. Alright, what I want to do now is upload my own sticker kind of thing where I just want to put it into my shirt. So I'm just going to upload image. Alright, this will bring up your camera roll right here. This is the image I want. I'm just going to click on that. Yep, this is the image I want. Use the bottom right button only, the filled in circle, to change the size of your image and move it diagonally if you want. Hold the middle of the image, just go wherever you want. Alright, once you have positioned it and centered it, click on the tick on the bottom left, and then it will set it there. Alright, now you can check again. Once you're happy with your character, click on the download button right next to the character's legs. Would like to access photos, click OK. File saved. Yep, it'll be on the Photos app of your iPhone. Now what you want to do is open up Roblox. Alright, once you've opened up Roblox, what you want to do is click on the 3 buttons at the bottom right. Go down to Create, and you should be in this section right here. If it doesn't, then just click on the 3 bars on the top left and click on Home. When you're here, go to click on the 3 bars again and click on Creations. There'll be Experiences, Events, go to Avatar Items. Filter this to Classic Shirts. Then click on Upload Assets. Asset type should be a shirt. Upload. Photo library. It will open your photo gallery and you choose your shirt. As you can see, this is mine. Click on that. Click on Done. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it, you can have a description if you want, and upload it for 10 Robux. And yep, it is 100% uploaded. Go back to Avatar Items, filter to Classic Shirts, scroll down, and you should see, yep, this is my latest one. Click on the shirt, go down, click on sale. If you don't want it on sale, then you can skip this step. So just click on sale and set a price. I'll put this for 10 Robux. Remember, Roblox takes 70%. Click on Publish. Now this should be on the Roblox store, waiting to be purchased. You can go click on the X on the top left. Alright, once this is on sale, you can send it to your friends or just promote it so people can buy it. And you can go to your avatar and select it and wear it if you want. So if you found this video helpful, leave a subscribe so you can see more tutorials like this in the future. and it can help me out. It's a win-win for both of us. If you are feeling generous, you can also leave a like if you want. Other than that, catch you in the next video.